Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to publish your Replit app on App Store. Start by opening Replit in your browser and creating your app. Once you're done building it, copy its link by clicking the link icon and then copying the link. You'll need this for the next step. Next, open a new tab and go to median.co, a platform that converts web apps into native iOS apps. Click Sign Up to create your account. After logging in, click New App. Median will ask for your web app's URL, so paste the link you copied from Replit. Then enter a name for your app. This will be the name shown below the app icon on users' devices. When you're ready, click Start Building My App. Median will begin converting your web app into an iOS app, and this may take a few minutes. Once the process is complete, you can preview and download your app. Choose the option to export or download your iOS app file. Median will provide an IPA file or give you instructions for uploading through Xcode or Transporter. Now go to App Store Connect, Apple's platform for managing App Store apps. Sign in using your Apple ID. If you don't have a developer account yet, you'll need to join the Apple Developer Program, which requires a yearly fee. Follow the steps to complete your registration. Once your developer account is active, open App Store Connect and click My Apps. Then click the plus icon to add a new app. Enter the required details and upload your IPA file using either Xcode or the Transporter app. When everything is filled out, click Submit for review. Apple will then review your app to ensure it meets their guidelines. This review usually takes a few days.